In this video, I'll show you how to check storage and RAM on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26, and how to clean them to improve your phone's performance. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Device Care. Here, you'll see an overview of your phone's performance, including storage and memory. Let's start with storage. Tap on Storage. Here, you can see how your storage is being used, including videos, images, installation files, apps, audio files, and more. At the bottom, you'll also find suggestions to help you remove unnecessary files and unused apps to free up space. You can go through items like large videos or unused files and delete anything you don't need. Now go back and tap on Memory. In this section, you'll see which apps are using the most RAM on your device. To free up memory, tap on Clean Now. This will close background apps and clear unused RAM, helping your phone run more smoothly. You'll also find the RAM Plus option at the end of the screen. Tap on it, and you'll see how much virtual RAM is being used. For example, up to 12 gigabytes depending on your device. If you want to save storage space, you can select a lower RAM Plus option. And that's it. That's how you can easily check and manage storage and RAM on your Samsung S26 series. Thanks for watching.